Who wants to become the eye in the sky, the maker of rules? I'm not gonna continue. We know the song. Guys, how would you like to be able to create all types of content in order to generate traffic? Because if we want to generate traffic, we have to have the right content and the right strategy, of course, with mini AI generators. I know it sounds intriguing and sort of secretive and all of that, but this is what we are going to talk about today, okay, in this review of Cash Swarm AI. So welcome all to my Cash Swarm AI, like a swarm of bees, right? Cash Swarm AI review by Dave Espino and his launch partner Daniel Hall. Interesting product. Okay, so let's dig in right now to help you make an educated decision about this launch. All right, it is launching today on the Dave Espino's Warrior Plus account. Well, he's the vendor, right? So it is launching today on the 20th of June, 10 a.m. New York time. It is gonna go live, I'm sure, by the time I manage to upload this video on my YouTube channel. So this is my written review. Go check it out. I've also prepared a bunch of bonuses which will help you generate traffic, okay, to the content you will be creating and the strategies you will have right on your hand, like this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I'm telling you, as I was going through the content of this is a mix of PDF and video tutorials, okay? I had a eureka moment. Eureka, I think that's how you say it. You know, this mathematician who jumped out of his bath and said, Eureka! Yeah, I found it now. Now I get it. Now I get it too. Alright, so back to my written review. Sorry about the helicopter noise. Always something going on here. Okay, so here we have the funnel, the front end, $17, a few upsells. I have them listed here. I don't have more information about the upsells, but I see there's some interesting stuff going on, like in influencer strategies, go big with Cash Swarm, done for you, AI generators. These are very good. This is what you want. These are the AI generators done for you, especially that you want to get your hands on, because with these mini AI generators, you can create anything you want in the world of the bestest quality. And I'll explain more what I mean by that. I know it kind of sounds, what is Sylvia talking about? What AI generators, right? Yeah, I get it. So hold your horses, stay with me. These are my bonuses. AI prompts that drive traffic to your offers, leveraging marketing success with AI. Okay, and client acquisition blueprint, because if you want to sell your products, services, you need to get clients, right? Building a content creation business with AI. So, of course, pretty congruent with this offer. Okay, let me show you the members area now. And before we do that, let me just tell you, if you click any of the call to action buttons, you will be then redirected to the sales page. And they say, this is weird little traffic generator. I was surprised by it, to be honest, okay? It's a little thing, but so powerful. Right, so a little traffic generator is like a digital honey trap bringing in a swarm of cash. If you know how to use it, if you put it in front of the right people, of course. And, you know, they don't fully reveal what the product is all about, but yeah, this is it, a little traffic generator. Okay, it's really as simple as that. And so here is Dave Espino. Dave is obviously a veteran in internet marketing with, I don't know, 40 years of experience. I know he doesn't look, his chronological age, but the biological age is really what matters, of course. Yeah, it does, actually. Who cares about the number? So Dave, he often launches with James Renouf, right, by himself, but sometimes he would find interesting people to partner up with. And this is the case with Daniel. Yeah, while Daniel slept, he was making money with this method using these little traffic generators. So Daniel Hall, he is a professional attorney and a nurse, a qualified nurse as well. Interesting. But then After some time, he actually switched to internet marketing, because what's more profitable than working in sales? Yes, it's crazy profitable if you do it the right way, and if you offer value to people and you're truly helpful, not some kind of, scammy, dodgy guy or lady. And here they actually tell you the ways, okay? You can use these mini traffic generators, very simple to use, but powerful. Again, the power is in simplicity. And like sometimes, let me give you the analogy of, from the book Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, right? This alchemist, this young boy, was going through all sorts of experiences, tough life lessons in order to find the treasure, right? But then after the journey, after all of the investments that we make and he has made, right? He realized this is the lesson, the experience, and the truth is so simple. And he went back home with the gratitude in his heart, and that was his treasure. So the treasure very often is right at our doorstep, but we don't have the eyes to see it, and we don't have the ears to hear it. Only going through investing, learning, going through the process. Only through doing the work, we discover what the treasure is all about. And it very often comes down to the simple gratitude. So it's simplicity. But anyhow, going back to the sales page. So they say there are many ways to make money with these mini AI generators. So you can use these AI traffic generators as free lead magnets. You can sell them. Okay. You can easily sell your traffic generator as a digital product, because you can use these mini traffic generators to create the content for selling your digital product. All sorts of campaigns that you can create with it, and this and that. Then you can use the traffic generator to bring tons of affiliate sales. Again, in order to make sales, you need the right sort of content, and you need the strategy that you will be able to create with these mini traffic generators. And then you can offer traffic generators to other people's big audiences. And that's what Daniel has been doing. Okay. So you approach people, if you wish to do so, who have following. It doesn't have to be big, but it needs to be loyal, good sort of following. And you help these influencers skyrocket their results by selling them the content that you would create for them with these traffic generators. Right, so that's it. That's all the commenting on the sales page. Of course, there are a lot of proofs of how much money Daniel has been making using these little traffic generators. And this is the members area, guys. So this is the download page. Okay, very simple look of it. And here they say, click here to download. On the page 7 of the PDF, also you will find video demos, very good demos, okay? And here, just in case you haven't picked up the upsells after you got the front end, you can still come back to them. As they say here, have you ever bought a product and then discovered how great it is, and then realized that now you want the upgrades? Sometimes they are truly OTOs, that meaning one-time offers. So not always are they available in the members area. Most of the time they are, but this is not always the case. So in case you want to go back to the upsells, okay, you can from inside of the members area. So let me show you now the PDF. Okay, I'll quickly scroll through. Very colorful. Not crazy much content, 32 pages long. But they talk about, you see, it's interesting, quick read. And actually this guy here, this one here, okay, is doing the video tutorials on how he's using the mini traffic generator to create strategies and laser focus content that people will be paying you crazy money for. If you approach them, of course, okay? Or you can use these mini traffic generators to create content for yourself, to create products, to create sales pages for your products and all of that. Okay, and now here we also have these videos. Okay, so let me show you. The demos are actually here. So they say click the links below to view demos of AI generators in action. Guys, I am saying all the time AI generators. I believe by now you realize what I am talking about. I am talking about how to squeeze AI like a lemon. Okay, again, with AI is always garbage in, garbage out. How do we get the best quality of the output? By prompting AI in the best way possible, right? All comes down to that. You know, AI is getting smarter and smarter than the smartest of us. Okay? So, will I know how to prompt the AI in the best possible way, or will maybe AI know how to prompt itself and all of that? But yes, we do need that master prompt to begin with. What is the master prompt? Maybe this is the mini AI traffic generator they're talking about. So I'm just giving you a sneak peek of what you're gonna get here. These are very good tutorials done by the other guy that I did show you earlier, the blonde guy. And he's showing you how he's squeezing the best of ChatGPT. And again, there are various ways of making money with these AI traffic generators. You can sell them as they are. You can generate with them the content for yourself, for your campaigns, for your products, create sales pages, because they are prompted in the best possible way. So, okay, and he's giving you an example how to do it in the podcasting niche, this is a random elder care niche. So for someone who's running a elder care house and overloaded with work, why not approach them? This is just an example, a random example, with the best possible content ideas to help them with the workload, to ease their workload, and to create exactly the kind of content they need, okay, to run the business. And then he's going through the job hunting niche, business branding, and all of that. So that's that. It's a bit of it's an interesting product, trust me. So dig into it, and how I believe Daniel, he has been helping this doctor, you know, she had a small following, but with the content he sold her, she really, really multiplied her profits from the work she does. So guys, that's that. That's basically about knowing how to create the best sort of content using AI with a secret master prompt. Yes. Okay. And I was so mind blown, you know, to discover it. And why did I not come up with it myself first? But yeah, this is it. Sometimes something that is most powerful is also extremely simple and right in front of us, but we don't have the eyes and the ear. We don't have the eyes to see it and the ears to hear it. Very interesting. Okay, guys, so check out my written review right below in the description box. Get it. I think you're gonna love it. Okay, it's gonna really take you to another level, and again, realize how simple things are, and we don't need to overcomplicate them. And yeah, enjoy. Okay, take care and see you very soon.